you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2025 on your Nintendo Switch, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and improve your connection for a better gaming experience. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Nintendo Switch is connected to a stable internet connection. You can do this by going to System Settings, selecting Internet, and testing your connection. If it's weak or unstable, consider switching to a wired connection or moving closer to your Wi-Fi router. Step 2. Restart your console. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. Power off your Nintendo Switch completely, wait for about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This can refresh your system and clear any minor errors. Step 3. Update your system software. Make sure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest system software. Go to System Settings, select System, then Software Update, and choose to update if any new version is available. Keeping your system updated can resolve compatibility issues. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Changing your DNS settings can improve your connection. Go to System Settings, select Internet, then Internet Settings. Choose your network, select Change Settings, scroll down to DNS Settings, and set it to Manual. Use Google's DNS by entering 8.8, 8.8 for primary, and 8.8, 4.4 for secondary. Step 5. Contact Nintendo support. If the error persists after trying the above steps, it may be best to contact Nintendo support for further assistance. They can provide more specific troubleshooting based on your situation and help resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate the Matchmaking Error 2025 on your Nintendo Switch. Happy gaming!